Say hello, Luna.
You know, people who don't have pets don't know what they're missing.
It's like, how do I get out of this?
Although I actually never really refer to them as pets. They're just
Oh,
my
look,
little
Luna's
ones or my
checking out.
babies.
I call them furry babies.
Yeah. The people who don't know anything about having them in their life just are missing out on such a huge thing.
Look at Luna's.
Look at that. You went through. What's that? Yummy stuff? Yummy stuff? Wow, Amanda. That's amazing. You know she's putting on weight with that new food.
Is she? Getting fat, Luna?
It's good. It's good for her because she was losing a little weight. Oh, she likes her house. And she fits in it.
She pooped in the corner over here.
Oh.
Oh, she. Luna, what the hell is your phone?
I'm just playing with invisible things in the photo.
See when her fur twitches like that? That's just in her crazy mode. She's like, what the hell is this? Well, pay attention to me. Stop paying attention to that thing. Oh, good.